Hello, Co-Erider! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's your e-mobility guru, Mr. Boo. Okay, we're back on our new videos. So today's video, it's gonna be regarding our new project, which is sponsored and requested by one of our subscriber, which is Mr. Joe. So he's actually from Lebanon, but he's currently living here in Dubai. So he asked for our help to build his own DIY electric scooter, which is almost the same as my scooter. So he actually likes the design, but for our project, for his DIY electric scooter, the concept will be like the retro type. Okay, so it will be like the retro Harley Davidson or Cafe Racer type. So like this one here. So this will be his concept, the concept that he wants for his DIY electric scooter, which will be our next project. So Mr. Joe, he's actually one of the first who come to me and ask for my help. So to help him build his own DIY electric scooter. And also, since we're gonna be a bit delayed for our postponed for our DIY big electric scooter, so we're gonna first do this one as per Joe's request. And since we wanted to help him, we're gonna build his own DIY electric scooter as per his request. Okay, so join me, Co-Eriders, in making Mr. Joe's DIY electric scooter retro motive. Okay, so that's it, Co-Erider. Watch out for my next video. When we receive our parcels, we're gonna unbox all those items which we're going to put on Mr. Joe's electric DIY scooter. Okay, so that's it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button below so you'll always be updated on our next video. See you, Co-Erider. Don't forget, let's create, ride, and enjoy. See you, Co-Eriders.